Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new to the channel, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic, which is regarding Arbitrum. Looking at the price of Arbitrum right now, it is currently trading at $1.18, down 0.8% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, also down about 1.6% in Bitcoin and Ethereum comparative over the last 24 hours. If we're looking at the market cap is currently sitting right below that $1.5 billion mark, and the 24-hour trading volume has also decreased, currently sitting at $200 million. We're going to analyze the charts and see what's happening with the price of Arbitrum and where we could potentially be going in the immediate short term. If you like these kind of videos, as always, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, the disclaimer that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. So right now I'm looking at the daily time frame. We still don't have as much time that Arbitrum has been listed on the exchanges for us to really have a proper analysis on the daily time frame. But if we're going on the hourly time frame, we can kind of use this and make a pretty good educated guess as to what potentially could be happening. Number one is that obviously, if you guys are not familiar, Arbitrum coin was airdropped to users that were eligible, the ones that use the blockchain. And previously not everyone claimed these tokens. So as this number grows, I've said this in my other videos, I do expect more and more people are going to start trading that on the exchanges, or either selling it or buying more, and it gives us a better understanding as to what really is happening with the price of Arbitrum. But over the past almost over the past 2 to 3 weeks, we've seen Arbitrum really hold quite well, especially above that $1 mark, and that is a positive thing to take away from that. And we're seeing the overall percentage increase for the overall claimed Arbitrum. But right now we're seeing something happening with the price of Arbitrum, especially on the hourly time frame. We're starting to see a little bit more downside happening within the price. So now comes the question: is the price of Arbitrum going below $1 mark? That's what we're going to discuss, and I'm going to talk about if that is potentially possible. So if I bring out the measuring tool for you guys can see, Arbitrum dropping below $1 would mean for us to go down 15%. So a 15% move towards the downside is quite massive type of move. And in order for that to happen, in my personal opinion, Bitcoin would need to have a massive, retracement. Remember, Bitcoin is looking extremely bullish, almost 1 month consolidation within the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level. But if Bitcoin were to retest that $25,000 mark, we could definitely see Arbitrum going below $1 mark. But we've seen Arbitrum show its strength over the past few weeks. And this shows why this project was highly anticipated and why people were purchasing OTC. People were purchasing this token at 85 cents, 90 cents, from people that did get eligible. They were buying their private keys. I don't know how that's done, and I would not recommend that because a lot of people can get scammed doing so. But we've seen people do that, and it made some headlines in the crypto space. But we're seeing Arbitrum hold quite strong right now, and I really do believe I've been quite transparent as to what I can see Arbitrum doing in the near future. I could see this project, considering the amount of hype it has brought, and considering similar projects that did similar things of even the previous bull cycle, they made insane gains. And this is one project I'm eyeing very, very closely. This is not financial advice. This is just my own personal opinion. Again, it's cryptocurrencies, anything can happen, but I really do believe Arbitrum has what it takes to be at double digits altcoin very soon in this bull cycle. As I said, this might not happen this year, but this bull cycle is long, and gains like that can be made in this market. And I can see Arbitrum, hitting some very impressive price targets in this bull cycle, and even above 15 to also possibly $20. So that would definitely be a good price gain, especially if we're considering where it's at right now. A lot of people are flocking away from there. People expected the blow off right away. Like, people wanted to see that explosive moves right off the bat, but sometimes that does not happen, guys. That absolutely does not happen. Well, what I want you guys to keep in mind is, like, let's pay attention to how strong Arbitrum has held, and that should show the strength that it has for itself. And it's just a matter of time BTC dominance starts retracing. Right now Bitcoin has majority of the power, the majority of the momentum, but when altcoin season comes, guys, I am not doubting that Arbitrum is going to be one of the top movers in the near future. But let me know down below what you guys think, where you could see the price of Arbitrum going. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.